Hey guys, back in the shop again. Today we're going to be making pallet sign backers. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. Alright, now that I have these cut and ripped to size, I'm ready to nail on my strips. I have these facing down in the way that I want the front to be laid out. So I'm lining up all my pieces. I've also created this fancy, well, really not fancy, jig. And this is going to allow me to put these back strips on in exactly the same spot. This is important if you want to be making a lot of the same thing. I'm gonna put some wood glue on here for added strength. Alright, so I've got my jig secured right here. I'm holding these down and now I'm just going to throw my nails. One important thing that you want to remember to do is check the thickness of your boards. You don't want to be using the wrong size nail and have them come out the front. So I've checked, I've got 1.25 inches, so I've got 1-inch nails here in my nailer. So I'm holding it tight. Now see how quick and easy I did that? If I didn't have that jig, I would have had to measure and mark each one to get them exactly the same. Alright, now we have our finished product. This is what I love about pallets. This one I just clear coated and it just looks beautiful the way it is. Got all different sizes. I made these for a Christmas sign. What my goal was in this design was to batch out an entire set of signs, but also have a customer feel like they were getting a different looking sign by just changing the color of the backer. So I'm really happy how these turned out. I can't wait to see what they look like with the pieces on them. Let me know down in the comments which one you like best. Did you like the white, the brown? Did you like the ones I just clear coated? I'd really like to know what your opinion is on them. In another video, I'm gonna show you how to make circle backers. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if that's something that you're interested in, if you like what we're doing. I'll also be making a video on batching. I think that's a really important step in any type of woodworking project that you're doing. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. See you next time!